Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the passwords and security. After that, click to the system security and click to the SIM card lock. And now just to remove the SIM pin from your SIM card, you should click once on the switcher and enter your currently password. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK. And as can you see, we just successfully remove our PIN code from SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.